Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. So today's video I didn't really get to talk, people were still working as I left early. What happened was I was running the 2-inch EMT, as you can see, going out of the panel, up over the trusses to the wall, and then out the other side, going to the block wall, and then the rest of the day I was working on piping out of the panel with the 4 3/4-inch EMT, and then I got one started going over a block, and then the other one is just 90ing up and then offsetting back down onto the truss. And I had to drill through, had to mount the, actually I had to make the blocks, had to take the pipe, the 2-inch pipe out of the panel, and then I had to cut these blocks with the holes in it, put the pipe back through the wood, and then nail that together, and then had to drill like 8 holes or whatever it was. Not 8, it was like 12 holes. 12 holes for the 3/4-inch pipes, so 4, 4, and 4, and that took a while, and it's like 94 degrees, so just blowing hot air in my face while drilling that up on a 10-foot ladder. So good times, but I made it through the day, and just happy I got to get off early, and got a milkshake right here, so I'm ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, I'd appreciate it, and subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.